Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Understand Al-Quran the easy way, course number 3, grammar with page 10, pointer A, 10A. In this lesson, we will learn the verb ihtada. Remember that we are learning mazid fi, those verbs which have extra letters in their root. Or root is 3-letter root. Alima to allama, salima to aslama, and so on. To remember these mazid fi verbs or styles, we have 3 sentences, and they are, repeat after me, ta'aleem and muhasaba are from the basics of Islam.
Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very basics of Islam.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
Do tadabbur and tadarus to have a better inqilab to Allah.
Do tadabbur and tadarus to have a better inqilab to Allah.
Tadabbara, tadarasa, inqalaba.
Tadabbara, tadarasa, inqalaba.
Inqalaba means to go back, to turn over. Allim. Alright, so we have learned already sound verbs and weak verbs in case of 3-letter verbs. Like fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. These are sound verbs. They don't have any weak letter. And also we have learned weak verbs like wahaba, wa'ada. They have weak letter in the beginning. Or qala, zada, or da'a, hada. Just like that, we have weak letters in mazid fi, like walla. It has 2 weak letters, waw and ya. Or nada. In the end you see the weak letter. Alqa, you see the weak letter in the end. Aqama, in the middle. So alqa, nada, walla. Just like that, today we will learn ihtada. Alhamdulillah. Let us take the verb ihtada. Actually, from khalafa we make ikhtalafa. Similarly, from hada we make ihtada. Hada means he guided. Ihtada, he received guidance. Hada means he guided. Ihtada, he received guidance. Alright. Ihtada, the forms of ihtada are like fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. But because it has a weak letter, it will have some minor changes, and that's the only thing we are taking these verbs for practice. Otherwise it's just fa'ala, fa'alu. So just remember these minor changes. Ihtada is ending with the weak letter, and the conjugation or making different forms is just like hada. Hada means he guided. Hada, hadaw, hadaita, hadaitu, hadaitum, hadaina. So plural of hada is hadaw. The ending alif, this shows ya, but it is alif. Hada will become hadaw. Okay? And we have learned these forms before. So let us practice. Can you give me plurals? Hada, hadaw. Walla, wallaw. Nada, nadaw. Alqa, alqaw. Ihtada, ihtadaw. Therefore, ihtada, the plural of ihtada will become ihtadaw. So it's the same rule. Once again, hada, hadaw. Walla, wallaw. Nada, nadaw. Alqa, alqaw. Ihtada, ihtadaw. Allim. So we have hada, hadaw, hadaita, hadaitum, hadaitu, hadaina. Same way we have ihtada, ihtadaw, ihtadaita, ihtadaitu, ihtadaitum, ihtadaina. Ihtada means he received guidance. Can you translate? Ihtada,
he received guidance.
Ihtadaw,
they received guidance.
Ihtadaita,
you received guidance.
Ihtadaitu,
I received guidance.
Ihtadaitum,
you all received guidance.
Ihtadaina,
we received guidance.
Repeat after me 2 times. Ihtada, ihtadaw.
Ihtada, ihtadaw. Ihtada, ihtadaw.
Ihtadaita, ihtadaitu.
Ihtadaita, ihtadaitu. Ihtadaita, ihtadaitu.
Ihtadaitum, ihtadaina.
Ihtadaitum, ihtadaina. Ihtadaitum, ihtadaina.
With me, Bismillah.
Ihtada, ihtadaw.
اهتديت اهتديت اهتديتم اهتدينا. Again. اهتدى اهتدوا اهتديت اهتديت اهتديتم اهتدينا. علم. Alhamdulillah. Let's take spoken Arabic. Did he receive guidance? Let's answer with yes. نعم اهتدى. هل اهتدى؟ نعم اهتدى. هل اهتدوا؟ نعم اهتدوا. Answer me. هل اهتدى؟
نعم اهتدى.
هل اهتدوا؟
نعم اهتدوا.
Again. هل اهتدى؟
نعم اهتدى.
هل اهتدوا؟
نعم اهتدوا.
علم. هل اهتديت? Did you receive guidance? So you'll say نعم اهتديت. هل اهتديتم؟ نعم اهتدينا. Answer me. هل اهتديت؟
نعم اهتديت.
هل اهتديتم؟
نعم اهتدينا.
Again. هل اهتديت؟
نعم اهتديت.
هل اهتديتم؟
نعم اهتدينا.
علم. Now let's take فعل مضارع. فعل مضارع is also similar to هدى يهدي. هدى يهدي. So اهتدى يهتدي. يهتدي. He receives guidance. And also remember, when the ending has a weak letter in mudari like yahdi, the plural of yahdi is yahduna. This hada, yahdi, ihdi, these forms are very, very precious, and if you are thorough with that, all of these mazid fi is very easy. So yahdi, plural of yahdi is yahduna. So let us take those structures which we have learned before also, and it will reinforce your previous learning also. So plural of yahdi is yahduna. Yuwalli yuwalluna. Yunadi yunaduna. Yulqi yulquna. Yahtadi yahtaduna. Once again, yahdi
يهدون.
yuwalli
يولون.
yunadi
ينادون.
yulqi
يلقون.
yahtadi.
يهتدون.
علم. All right, so now we have learned the forms, how to make the plurals. So can you translate with actions? Bismillah. Yahtadi,
He receives guidance.
Yahtaduna,
They receive guidance.
Tahtadi,
You receive guidance.
Ahtadi,
I receive guidance.
Tahtaduna,
You all receive guidance.
Nahtadi,
We receive
guidance. Repeat after me 2 times. Yahtadi, yahtaduna.
يهتدي يهتدون. يهتدي يهتدون.
Tahtadi, ahtadi.
تهتدي أهتدي. تهتدي أهتدي.
Tahtaduna, nahtadi.
تهتدون نهتدي. تهتدون نهتدي.
With me, Bismillah.
يهتدي يهتدون. تهتدي أهتدي. تهتدون نهتدي.
Again.
يهتدي يهتدون. تهتدي أهتدي. تهتدون نهتدي.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Let us take spoken Arabic. هل يهتدي? Does he receive guidance? Answer with yes. نعم يهتدي. هل يهتدون؟ نعم يهتدون. Answer me. هل يهتدي؟
نعم يهتدي.
هل يهتدون؟
نعم يهتدون.
Again. هل يهتدي؟
نعم يهتدي.
هل يهتدون؟
نعم يهتدون.
علم. هل تهتدي? Do you receive guidance? You will say نعم أهتدي. هل تهتدون? And you will say نعم نهتدي. You see the TPI practice that we did like this. يهتدي يهتدون. تهتدي أهتدي. تهتدون نهتدي. So here are dialogues like تهتدي أهتدي. تهتدون نهتدي. So answer me. هل تهتدي؟
نعم أهتدي.
هل تهتدون؟
نعم نهتدي.
Okay, once again. هل تهتدي؟
نعم أهتدي.
هل تهتدون؟
نعم نهتدي.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Let's take Amr. Making Amr in Mazid Fi is very easy. From Allama, Allim. Just put sukun on the last letter and a kasra before it. Okay. So can you answer me? From Allama,
علم.
Hasaba,
حاسب.
Aslama,
أسلم.
Ikhtalafa, Ikhtalif. Similarly, Ihtada,
اهتدي.
Ihtadi. Why not ihtadi? Because weak letter is weak, so it just runs away. Ihtadi, get guidance or get guided, okay, or receive guidance. So let us make the plural of that also. Ihtadi, plural is ihtadu. It is just like ihdi, ihdu, and we did couple of several verbs. So why not repeat them? Can you give me the plural of ihdi?
ihdu,
Walli,
wallu,
nadi,
nadu,
alqi,
alqu,
ihtadi.
ihtadu,
Again, ihdi,
ihdu,
walli,
wallu,
nadi,
nadu,
alqi,
alqu,
ihtadi.
ihtadu.
Alim. Now you know how to make the plural, so let's continue. Translate with actions. Ihtadi, receive guidance. Ihtadu,
Receive guidance.
La tahtadi,
Don't receive guidance.
La tahtadu,
Don't receive guidance.
Repeat after me. Ihtadi, ihtadu,
ihtadi, ihtadu, ihtadi, ihtadu.
La tahtadi, la tahtadu,
لا تهتدي لا تهتدوا لا تهتدي لا تهتدوا.
With me, Bismillah.
اهتدي اهتدوا لا تهتدي لا تهتدوا. اهتدي اهتدوا لا تهتدي لا تهتدوا.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Let's take fa'il and maf'ul of ihtada. But just to remember the formula, remember we have to put mu, mean with dhamma, mu on the mouth of madi. For example, fa'allama, muallim, muallam. So can you answer me? Allama,
معلم معلم.
hasaba,
محاسب محاسب.
aslama,
مسلم مسلم.
ikhtalafa,
مختلف مختلف.
The same way, ihtada will have muhtadin. The weak letter will not come here. Muhtadin, just like muwallin. This is muhtadin. Ihtada, muhtadin, and nobody is affected, so this is dash. Okay. The one who receives guidance, muhtadin. The one who receives guidance, muhtadin. Nobody is affected, dash. And to make action, it is ihtida, ihtida, to get guidance. Alright, translate. Muhtadin, the one who receives guidance, and this is dash, and ihtida, to receive guidance. Repeat after me 2 times. Muhtadin, dash, ihtida.
مهتد داش اهتداء. مهتد داش اهتداء.
Again with me.
مهتد داش اهتداء. مهتد داش اهتداء.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Let's take spoken Arabic. هل أنت مهتد? Are you guided? So you'll say نعم أنا مهتد. هل أنتم مهتدون? Plural of مهتدين is مهتدون. نعم نحن مهتدون. Answer me. هل أنت مهتد؟
نعم أنا مهتد.
هل أنتم مهتدون؟
نعم نحن مهتدون.
Again. هل أنت مهتد؟
نعم أنا مهتد.
هل أنتم مهتدون؟
نعم نحن مهتدون.
علم. Alright, now we are left with 2. Huwa ihtada, he received guidance. Hiya ihtadat. Okay, it's just like hada, hadat. Walla, wallat. Nada, nadat. Alqa, alqat. So ihtada, ihtadat, she received guidance. And huwa yahtadi, hiya tahtadi. Answer me. Huwa ihtada, hiya
اهتدت.
huwa yahtadi, hiya
تهتدي.
Again, هو اهتدى هي
اهتدت.
هو يهتدي هي
تهتدي.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now we have the whole table ready for us. Can you repeat the table with me? Bismillah.
اهتدى اهتدوا اهتديت اهتديت اهتديتم اهتدينا. يهتدي يهتدون تهتدي أهتدي تهتدون نهتدي. اهتدي اهتدوا لا تهتدي لا تهتدوا
muhtadin dash ihtida. And the last two. Ihtadat tahtadi. Alim. Now we have the 6 keys also with us. So can you repeat after me? Ihtada yahtadi ihtadi.
اهتدى يهتدي اهتدي
Muhtadin dash ihtida.
مهتد داش اهتدى.
And can you repeat these with me? Bismillah.
اهتدى يهتدي اهتدي مهتد داش اهتدى.
Ihtida. Alim. So whenever there is weak letter, you just have to learn the plurals in general and you will know all the forms. For example, ihtada, ihtadaw, yahtadi, yahtaduna, ihtadi, ihtadu, muhtadin, muhtaduna, and so on. That's it. Just memorize this table thoroughly and answer the questions given in the workbook. And on the same pattern, try to fill up the table for the verb ibtagha, he desired. Okay, ibtagha. Let me give you the table. Ibtagha, ibtaghaw, ibtaghaita, ibtaghaitu, ibtaghaitum, ibtaghayna. Yabtaghi, yabtaghuna, tabtaghi, abtaghi, tabtaghuna, nabtaghi. Ibtaghi, ibtaghu, la tabtaghi, la tabtaghu. Mubtaghin, mubtagha, ibtigha, ibtaghat, tabtaghi. Don't forget the verb course. For Mazid fee, you will always have a plus sign with the code. Alhamdulillah, we are at the end of the lesson. Don't forget the 7 types of homework. Learn from videos or get one-to-one class from the website and try to be a teacher. Jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum